We're at Woodbridge. Is it Elks? Is it Elks Club or?
Yeah.
Elks Club. 2026. Hey, look at that Corvette. These are new. Looks like a new engine on this thing.
Yeah. Just swapped it out. Did a good job on it. Looks nice.
LS3. Old classic. 327. Yeah. I thought it looked familiar. It's a 63, same year.
Really?
Yeah. I don't remember this, so I didn't have one of these. I had a bow tie. I don't remember that at all. I always liked this thing. You have this chrome around the seats, you know.
I always liked the rear seat with the speaker in the middle.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That always impressed me. It's a nice car. It's like brand new.
Like an automatic Super Sport, just like mine was.
Wow.
I had a 63, and I had another one. I had a 4-door, like a 64. And I drove that all kinds of places. You have, you know, all that, like they have a 993, and they have all these. The only one I know is like 914's mine, the 911s,
Right.
you know. But there's all kinds of versions of 911. You know, there's a 911 A, C.
And they had 930s, right?
Yeah, there's 930s.
Of course, a 928.
Yeah, 944.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about that one.
But all these new ones they have like a 993 or something.
It's hard to keep up.
I even know what this one is. If it's a different, they call it that a cabriolet, because it's without a top. I do that shot up.
Pretty neat how they have the tire back there. It's pretty neat that they have the tire back in the front.
Look at the ride. Check out that comfort. It looked like leather seats.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that'd be comfortable.
Oh sure. Yeah.
You know, it would make me nervous with that thing if I damage it. You know.
It costs you an arm and a leg.
Exactly.
I mean, everything's expensive. That would be.
Oh yeah, it'd be a bad day.
Instead of just taking a couple fingers, no, we got to have an arm and a leg.
El Camino. Oh yeah. So that's a 65, you said.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah. 66 is a little different, and 67 is quite a bit different, even though it's got the same body. The 68 is completely different.
I like those shots, you know, whenever you have the Porsches where they're all lined up in the different
those
colors.
Are cool. Yeah.
You know,
I like those shots too.
It looks like a bag of M&Ms, you know, all the different bright colors.
True, yeah.
Yeah,
it reminds me of a car that beat me that one time, my last race.
Oh, the Chevelle here?
Yeah.
That's a big one there. What size engine is that
Probably
thing?
454.
That thing is, or 427? Could be 427?
Most of that 454 is the big blocks, the 1970s.
Okay.
But it could be a 427, but more likely it's a 454.
Is that's yours? This in front? The Cobra? The Cobra, I love Cobras.
Yeah.
Did you put the engine in yourself, or? Yeah?
engine builder built it.
Right.
Installed it.
Yeah, probably a pretty tight fit there.
There's more room than you would think.
Oh, really? I always love the looks of these guys. You got all the gauges going there. Pretty cool. Graphics on the side.
Yeah, exactly. It gives a personality.
It's a stock. It's got the straight 6 in it. I really like the. Go ahead.
We got a die cast with the same.
Oh, look at that! How does that work?
Wow, that's pretty good, huh?
How do you get that?
Custom made. I don't know what was first. Was that first or was the truck first?
Well, you ask them. It looks like a straight 6 in this thing. What do you think? What's a guess a year? What year thing is it?
I don't know.
Look on the label.
74.
What?
74.
74? Oh, the roll bar is different. That's custom.
It's custom.
That old Corvette. Old Elks Lodge from a 15th reunion, right, Rod? Cool looking gauge pack he's got going there. Ranch steering wheel. I like that. Custom roll bar. And I like the speakers in the back. I've never seen those before. The square speakers.
Called it that.
It's purely decorative, but it looks so cool.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
unreal.
It definitely, stands out. It's even got a rear spoiler like this. This was not automatic. This was a 3-speed manual, I believe.
Oh, was it?
I'm pretty sure that's 3-speed.
Yeah, the gauge pack like that, it took me a while to find that thing. You know, they had 4 1/4, I think.
Well, the problem with California, they require special fuel. See, we have to get away from that, especially with technology nowadays. We don't need special fuel.
They don't have no refinery.
Well,
that's the problem.
But that's part of the
I
big
can't
problem,
believe
yeah.
3 refineries
But
left.
that also we require special fuel.
Oh yeah,
Blend.
why?
I mean, that's what they say.
That's what they say. Yeah.
So we're screwed.
Winter and summer blend, and there is no difference.
We're just screwed the way it goes. What kind of plug cord does it take to recharge?
Oh, it's going, so this is, what year is this? 2000, oh, it's a new magazine, 2026, February. Old cars. And it's got this 68 AMX-R prototype, the Ramble seat. Rod was showing me this. Pretty cool. Like the contents page, it shows it. On page 32. More seats, more fun. More seats, more fun. The Ramble seat, 68 AMX R prototype. You see the Ramble seat? That's pretty cool. I would say edit the hell out of this thing. You see that? The door handle. And a place to step up on. Was that a special wheel rod? What do you think?
Yeah, we're special wheels, yeah.
AMXR Jeffords.